Today, our junior high school students are embarking on an exciting adventure at Pizza Hut, a day filled with discovery, learning, and fun. At this stage, our students are eager to explore and learn more about the world around them. This visit is an incredible opportunity to see firsthand how things operate at Pizza Hut. They began their day with an engaging tour, learning about the different tools and equipment used in pizza making. They got a close-up look at the kitchen processes. The fun didn't stop there. The kids joined in on exciting games that added a playful twist to their learning experience. Next, they had the chance to make their own pizzas. They enjoyed adding their favorite toppings and eagerly awaited as their pizzas baked to perfection. Carnegie School always strives to provide the best and most memorable experiences. This was a truly meaningful and satisfying experience for them. We deeply appreciate the dedication of our teachers who guided the students through this wonderful experience. Their support and enthusiasm made the day both educational and enjoyable. In the end, it's clear that this visit to Pizza Hut was more than just a fun activity. It was an important step in our students' learning and development journey. Thank you, Carnegie School, and our amazing teachers for making this day so special.